Let me show you how to install and set up WhatsApp on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11, also S11 Ultra. So first let's go in the Play Store and in the search, enter WhatsApp. Okay, so WhatsApp, and let's click install. It will get downloaded and installed on your tablet. By the way, there are actually two different versions of these tablets, obviously one that has got internal SIM card and also one that doesn't have, but you can still obviously make WhatsApp on these. So let's see if you click, okay, so click agree and continue over here. So the first time you launch it, you might actually see this window over here, not the registration. So I had it already previously installed basically. So if you basically want to actually use the phone number that you have on your tablet, so again you would click these three dots here and click register new account. You can enter your phone number here and it will allow it to verify as well. Also, for example, if you do not even have the SIM card version of this tablet, you can literally still enter your phone number that you have maybe on a phone, and verify it that way. So simply get the verification code from the phone. But yeah, if you want to link it as a secondary device, so again, you can actually use same WhatsApp account on multiple different devices. So if you maybe have WhatsApp already on your phone, if you want to use basically the same WhatsApp account on your tablet as well, so on both devices, same account. So basically on your phone, you would go basically over here and click these three dots over here and click linked device over here. And then you see you will get this option, link a device. And next what you have to do is simply take your phone and simply point at this QR code. So see, if I point it will actually log me inside basically. So I do not want to show basically my chats, but yeah, as you see, it actually automatically logged me inside basically in my WhatsApp account over here, essentially, and I can start using it essentially. So again, you can obviously use same WhatsApp account on I think a maximum 4 devices at the same time. So I can use either methods. Okay, good luck.